teacher for today. So before we get into today's topic, I would like to ask some questions. So how do you get to school this morning?
I entered bus.
Entered bus. Okay, like, have you ever traveled before?
Yes.
By what? By train. By train. Okay.
By airplane.
By airplane. Okay, thank you. Hand over please for them. So that will lead us to today's topic, like what to talk about today, which is transportation. Can you repeat after me?
Transportation.
So, transportation is a system or means by which people and goods are moved together from one location to another using different methods and vehicles. Do you guys understand what I'm saying?
Yes, miss.
Like, it allows people to move easily from one place to another, and the goods to move from the seller to the buyer. So it makes the movement possible for them and make everything easier. So now we're talking about the types. We have different types of transportation. So I'll be talking about that now. So, types of transportation. So number one, we have road transportation. So, road transportation is all about the movement from one place to another using different type of, like, by road, using like vehicle, cars, bicycle, and bike. So I'll show you like an example of transportation by road. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, number two, we have rail transportation. So, rail transportation is movement through aircraft like aeroplane, helicopter. That's all. Rail transportation is the movement by train on a road. So that's all. And it is the what? Number two, we have rail transportation. Is the movement by train, and it is used to carry heavy loads and passenger at once. So these are like a rail transportation. This is a railway station, and this is the train on it. Can you guys see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So number three, we have water transportation. Water transportation is the movement by sea. It's movement by sea or ocean. So that's all about water transportation. And number four, we have air transportation. Air transportation is all about using aircraft like airplane and helicopter, and it is the fastest means of transportation that we have. So now moving to the talking about the importance of transportation. Importance of transportation. So we have it's number one, it makes movement of people easier, it promotes trade and commerce and economic development. So now I'd like to ask some question. Can you give me like two types of transportation?
Yeah. Air transportation or water transportation.
Okay, how about first for So that was all for today.
environment.
Anyone else?
You are not audible enough. There is no learner's participation.
Zao.
You are too smart.
Class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Bring your share study notes. So, I would like to ask a question before starting my class. How did you get to school this morning? Have you ever traveled before?
Yes,
By what means?
by train, by bus, by airplane.
Okay, thank you. So, it's transportation. How is that having?
Transportation.
So, what do you guys understand by transportation?
Transportation is the process of moving from one location to another, either goods or people.
Okay, thank you. Round of applause for us. So, transportation is the system of means of people and goods are moved from one place to another by using different methods or vehicles. It allows people to move easily. It allows people to move easily and make the goods to meet the buyer. So, now we're talking about the types of transportation. Number one, we have road transportation. So, road transportation is the movement of people and goods by using roads, using vehicles, cars, bikes, and so on and so forth. So, number two, is moving to the road transport. Number two, road transportation. So, rail transportation is the movement by using railway station. So, example are train. So this was a railway station like and a train. Can you pass my So and we have water transportation too. We are going to pass it to you. Water transportation is a movement by using movement of oceans and river by using boats, ships, and ferries. So, and the last one we have air transportation. So, air transportation is a movement by using aircraft, e.g., helicopter and aeroplane, and the fastest means of transportation. So, this is what it looks like: air transportation and sea transportation. Now, I'm talking about the importance of transportation. We're talking about the importance of transportation. So, who can give me one importance of transportation? One importance of transportation.
It is used to move people and goods from one place to another.
Then we have about this one. So, it makes movement easier. Two, it promotes trade and commerce. And number three, it helps economic development. So, before we round up, I'll also have some questions from you guys. Can you give me like 3 types of transportation?
You are looking at the camera.
transportation. So that will be all for today's class. We'll meet in the next class.